the men are so woefully outnumbered in this group, I decided to play on their side tonight. So I'm singing Out There from Hunchback. Out there, where they all live on nowhere, won't resent, won't despair, old and bent, I won't care, I'll have spent one day out there.
So I'm going to do something crazy with you.
Okay.
I'm not going to have you pin to one person. You're going to sing to all of us, but pick a different person to look at as you go at different points, because we're the jury.
Right. Perfect.
All of us. We are the jury, and we get to decide whether or not you're going to get to go out there. And don't come on too strong too fast, because you'll turn us off. But really, really make sure every word is clear.
Yep. Safe behind these windows and these parapets of stone, gazing at the people down below me. All my life I watch them as I hide up here alone, hungry for the histories they show me. And out there, living in the sun, give me one day out there. All I ask is one to hold forever. Out there, where they all live on nowhere, won't resent, won't despair, old and bent, I won't care, I'll have spent one day out there. Yes! Yes!
And that's how that song is done.
The men have conceded the song to Beatrice Owens.
Thank you. I will take it.
Hi, everybody. My name is Blythe. You guys are all so nice with these chats. My goodness. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give it a go, everybody. Every time I've lost another lover, I call up my old friend and I say, let's get together. I'm under the weather. Another love has come to an end. And we'll meet the year we're 62 and travel the world as good friends do, and tell each other we've been through, how love is rare and life is strange. Nothing lasts and people change. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, unmute yourselves. Chat it up a little bit.
Okay, wait. I'm obsessed with that song, and I'm obsessed with you singing it.
Oh, thank you. Wait, I love this song.
It's so good.
So good for you.
So pretty.
That last time you said love is rare and people are strange, like
Life
you
is
like
strange.
hit this moment.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to describe it, but it was like it was beautiful, and it like made me well up with tears. Like I don't know what you did, but you like hit a spot, and it was really gorgeous.
When everything is happening, but everything is happening to everybody but you. Sometimes I look in the mirror and I'm sad by what I see. Frustration, confusion. I've come to the conclusion there really must be something wrong with All of those douchebags who won't hire me. Well, I'm all
Know what it's like not to know who you are, to have lived in the shadows and traveled this far, and my dreams seem to say, don't be afraid to go on. I know it all will come back one day.
And I look at you, and I know I chose right.
Yes. Okay. Can I give you a sight line with a person, or will that just be, you'll be too far through?
I could try, I have a shelf right above. I just gotta
Okay.
like move this stuff on.
So this song clearly is to someone, and that person is Christina. I think we talked about doing this a little bit of like maybe a little bit of Seymour. So make sure that you don't start as confident as you end. Start feeling really like, I'm not sure if this is going to work and she's going to fall for this. So that when you go, you, because that falsetto, people, can we talk? Okay. Okay, so let's try it one more time.
Now maybe we don't mean that much, you and I, and maybe our balloon will never fly, and maybe no one cares if we let things go by, and maybe it doesn't matter if we live or die. Then I look at you, and I know I chose right.
Listen to me, little sleeping monster. You there with the sugar-crusted face. That after all of this and everything, I can tell you it's not true. After all of your own everything, I promise you'll get through. Whatever crap may come our way. After all of this and everything, kid, you'll be okay.
My prom dress, I won't fit into my prom dress. Run away, I'll just run away.
Sarah is going to do what? Times Are Hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Off the train in Paris, half a mile from Sacré-Cœur, the city's waking up for me. And all it takes is one more step, and then I'm here, just me behind my door. It isn't where I am, it's only what I have in store.
Okay, let's play with this. This one we're going to do that you are on FaceTime and Isabella is your friend.
Okay.
And you're going to like show her around Paris. And rather than just you look a little sad during the song, and you should be like, this is so bleeping cool. And I only said that because we've got younger kids, but I did put money in the swear jar in case I forget. I want you to be like, I'm in Paris. Show her, and at the same time, she's like, but I miss you, but you should come home. That looks terrible. And you're just like, no, it's great. Christina Barnes would do anything to be in Paris right now. Okay.
Hi, Sarah. I'm Isabella. Isa, show me around Paris.
Off the train in Paris, half a mile from Sacré-Cœur,
isn't where I am, it's only what I have in store that matters now, and I am not afraid. As everything I'll ever need appears, this is how my world gets
Okay, reactions.
Just first off, I could see the picture a lot more this time, I think. I think the image was more well-rounded, and I think that there was a clear difference there, and I really admired it, and I'm glad that I got to experience that, so thank you.
So let's hear those violins. Let the world break out in silly grins, and we'll fly to the stars up above. 'Cause when all is said and done, I know you're the only one. So I'm afraid this must be love.
It's almost like time has stood still. Like a lifetime iced under a frost. And I don't try to warm from the chill. Although I know how much I've lost. Letting go of what might have been. And letting something else in. Only then. Come and find me again. My sister's love, no star above can shine as bright as me. And as a sister and a friend, I'll be a sister till the end. Nothing on this earth can change that fact. I'm part of one terrific sister act. Dying ain't so bad, not if you both go together. Only when you're left alone does it get sad. But a short and loving life, that ain't so bad.
Great. So what's this song about?
To me, it's about choosing to live life and to choose love in the fullest, even if that would alter the time that you have.
I feel like you made it incredibly personal, and I applaud that. And it was beautiful to watch. I think you need to get a little bit further away. And then the other thing is your focus was up.
Okay.
And it was beautiful, but I think we're going to get more out of you if we get your irises. You know what the song's about. Trust that you've done the work. Trust that you're enough. Don't work so hard.
Maddie, pin yourself to Isabella and tell her this.
There's some things in life you can't erase. A love like ours don't happen twice. So when his days are through, mine will be too. Seems to me you live your life just once, and there's so much to do and see. And I'd rather breathe in life than dusty air. Dying ain't so bad, not if you both go together. Only when you're left behind does it get sad. But a short and loving life, a short and loving life, that ain't so bad.
Picture a handsome, heroically charismatic, plain-spoken, no, nothing skirt-chasing, cocky little son of a lie town with the hogs, and you wake up with a raise and a promotion. So he's a flirt, a complete egomaniac. The fact is he's also the face of the strike. What a face the facts, that's a face that could save us all from sinking in the ocean. But all I know is nothing happens if you just give in. It can't be any worse than how it's been. And it just so happens that we just might win. So whatever happens, let's begin.
We play our games. We face our bets. No weakness, and no regrets. How did we come to thee?
Hello,
Hey.
I'm Julia, and I'm gonna sing "Waiting for This Moment" from Tarzan. Oh, I've been waiting for this moment. Oh, it seems like all my life. Here I am, and my head is spinning. It's such a liberating feeling, and it's happening to me. I've never felt this glow inside. Temptation.
Oh my gosh. So this one's a little new for Julia.
Yeah, I was looking at the words a little bit. I'm not.
A little bit. It's okay. I love this song for you. Somebody else said this too.
Yes. For you, like just from the moment you started it, I was like, I'm ready. I buy this character for you. I buy this journey. It was fun.
So I'm going to partner you with Timiyah.
Hello.
Okay. You want her to come too, right? And you need her to come too because you need someone who can chip in some gas money because you can't afford to go again if somebody doesn't go with. Do a little bit of a soft sell at the beginning and keep raising it up to get her to close this deal.
It's such a liberating feeling, and it's happening for me. I've never felt this glow inside. New, exciting, inviting, wanting to play. I cannot resist this temptation.
Hearts, don't fail me now. Courage, don't desert me. Don't turn back now that we're here. People always say life is full of choices. No one ever mentioned fear. Well, starting now, I'm learning fast on this journey.